Hello boys and girls. So this week we have a new sound, and our new sound is I. When you see this side you say I. When you see this side you say insect. Now it's time to play the peekaboo game. Just say what you see, I or insect. Now we're going to have a go writing the sound with our finger. First of all, we need to learn the rhyme, and the rhyme for this sound is down the body, dot for a head. Down the body, dot for a head. Down the body, dot for a head. Now you have a go saying it. Let's have a go writing the sound in our books. Get whoever's helping you to write the sound in a light colour and put a dot where you need to start so you know where to put your pen. Remember to say the rhyme as you're writing it. Down the body, dot for a head. Down the body, dot for a head. Down the body, dot for a head. You carry on saying the rhyme. Now you're going to try writing the sound independently. The person helping you can put the little black dot on the page so you know where to start, but you need to remember to say the rhyme as you're writing it. Down the body, dot for a head. Down the body, dot for a head. Down the body, dot for a head. You carry on saying the rhyme. Well done everybody, super writing. Now I want you to look back at all your it sounds, pick your favourite one and put a star by the side of it. So when you look back over your work, you can see what a good one looks like. Now it's time for the popcorn words game. I want you to have a little think of some words that start with I, and I want you to shout them out now. So now boys and girls, I'm going to draw a picture of something that starts with the sound I. Can you guess what it is? It's an igloo. Now it's your turn to have a go drawing some things that start with the sound I. I wonder what you'll think of.
Great job today, boys and girls. I can't wait to see all your work when you put it on Dojo. You've been doing such a great job with all these new sounds you've been learning. See you soon.